Hello, my interior design family. Today I am sharing a little vlog of when I went wreath making with my friend earlier this week. It was at a place in Sonning called The Mill. And when I got there, the first thing that we were presented with were these moss bases. So the moss bases had already been made for us before we got there, which was a great help. And then we had all this foliage and Christmas tree and pine and other plants there available for us to be able to make into a wreath. And you can see here, this is me cutting up some of that Christmas tree and pine, and there was a huge table and everyone was working away, and then I was halfway through here and we can see my friend's wreath is a very different style from mine, and that's what creativity is all about. We all get to create what we love and what we feel inspired with at the moment. And then there were all of these decorations available, from ribbon to small little baubles to actual dried fruit and dried cinnamon, and everything smelled so good. I picked what I wanted and brought that to the table, and then I created my wreath, and this is it before the ribbon was added. And when I got the red ribbon added, I was so happy and so excited because it looked just like the red classic Christmas. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it linked below. My friend went for one that I would call the moody Christmas, and I'll leave that linked below as well. I then took the wreath outside and put it at the back of my car to store it so I could take it home, and then went back in for a nice afternoon tea with scones and sandwiches and everything you can imagine that's British, and of course a glass of champagne. We then had a little tour of the mill, which is also a theatre. I'll leave a link below in case you're into theatre, and that was it. I hope you have a lovely Christmas, my darlings.